So here's being in one of the best conditions. All this stuff on the floor is what I brought up here. The only thing that was here was that Cheetos box, and I, of course, had to open it up. The flooring is in good condition. All this stuff is the stuff for the fans that I just installed because we very badly need it. Trim paint needs trim paint. Walls are already gray. They did a mostly decent job on this. This flooring is good. This is the type of flooring we use, I believe. Fridge leaked something gross onto the floor, but that's an easy take up. Small bit of work on the kitchen. That one cabinet down there needs a new door. I gotta clean out these TVs. Trim paint's needed. But like this one's in really good shape. It's probably getting a new oven, probably a new fridge. As you can see, I mean, new light fixture. It's probably from, and the ceilings from when we had to replace the roofs. Toilets need to be cleaned. Countertop, tub resurfaced. No biggie. The rooms are actually okay. This cream color on the trim with the nice gray makes it just look horrible. You probably can't see it because of the light. Nice view out the windows though. Somebody didn't finish painting a cabinet or the closet in there. And this one of course faces the sun, just a mattress in there to get rid of. I'll probably haul it across the way to another one that's really bad. So